So my name is Tom Duff, and I guess I started all of this. The truth is, any one of our services could be a sustainable, profitable business in and of itself. So it just made sense to, combine several of these home services that all kind of feed off of each other and meet the needs of several rapidly growing, pretty much high demand markets across the United States. Our franchisees have a number of remediation and inspection services to offer their clients. Those services include, mold remediation, mold testing and inspections, moisture inspections, hoarding cleanup, crime and death scene cleanup, odor removal, water and fire damage cleanup, sewage cleanup, duct cleaning, and disinfection services, especially now with the introduction of the coronavirus. These are all high demand services. Combined, these services give our franchisees the best opportunity to reach their top earning potential. That's what we've found. We wanted to create a franchise system that fit just as well within or alongside an existing business, as it was as a standalone business. We also wanted to create an offering that was both flexible and provided as much freedom to franchisees as possible. What we eventually realized was that not everybody needed a full-on franchise. Some companies needed help with marketing or sales, while others needed help with the day-to-day operations. Some needed help with everything. And that's why we developed the 3 different franchise packages. So, whether you're looking for a business to operate smoothly alongside your existing business, or you're looking to co-brand with Mastertech and kind of just use our systems as a Mastertech certified company, which people do, or maybe you want to go all in and completely rebrand as Mastertech, we have a package that suits your needs. Having a healthy balance between work and life is pretty important. But being a business owner usually means long hours, never-ending tasks, little time for family and friends, and we found that using our systems absolutely helps minimize the amount of time you guys spend on the daily grind, which would hopefully allow you guys some time to enjoy life. For the majority of our services, you just don't need a giant warehouse full of expensive equipment and products. Pretty simple. You can easily operate out of a garage or home, at least at first. I did it for a while before moving into a bigger commercial location. Now, if water damage is your cup of tea or fire damage, you'll need more equipment, obviously, for structural drying and reconstruction, but by no means nothing astronomical. In the world of mold remediation or bio and hoarding cleanup, these jobs are typically private pay situations, meaning insurance doesn't cover it, unfortunately. And although these are, incredibly important and even sensitive cleanups sometimes, that sense of urgency is lower and gives us time to respond. We schedule around 90% of our estimates, inspections, and remediations during normal Monday through Friday business hours. So that's what we mean by walk to work, don't run. We're not out chasing fires in the middle of the night. But if that's what you want to do with your Mastertech operation, go for it. We'll help you with that too. And if you choose to offer other emergency services to kind of supplement your regular daily workload, that's fine too. Just be ready to answer the phone when the phone rings. Startup costs are low, comparatively speaking. New franchisees can build a startup equipment package that's well within their budget. We never recommend jumping in with both feet, at first at least. We recommend buying only what you need to get started and build from there. Our typical equipment package is well under $10,000 and can equip a remediation truck for up to 2 to 3 techs. There's no shortage of homes or businesses with mold in the United States. We closely follow these search trends and see that more and more people are looking for mold solutions online than ever before. Our hoarding and bioservices are also busier than ever, and of course, there's water, sewer, and fire damage, which are obviously never-ending industries. As a new franchisee, you'll go through what we call core training. Core training is kind of like boot camp for new members of the Mastertech family. And in the marketing section of your core training, you'll learn exactly how to market your new services. We don't play around. And we go way beyond simple marketing suggestions. We dive deep into exactly what you need to do, when you need to do it, how to do it, how often to do it. And we show you how to measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. We cover everything from digital marketing like Google, pay-per-click, search engine optimization, Google My Business, social media, to business marketing, to boots on the ground marketing, community marketing. We basically take all the guesswork out. That way you just need to follow the plan and respond to those new leads that come in. The great thing about our sales training program is that you don't have to be a born salesperson to sell our services. A lot of them sell themselves. We've developed a sales training system called Leads that teaches proven, practical, pressure-free sales strategies that are more geared towards educating our clients as opposed to, high-pressure sales tactics, which we're not a fan of. The Leads sales training system it's made a huge difference in how we approach projects, and it's helped lots of our franchisees close more jobs and obviously increase profits. During operations training, we teach you guys well-organized, efficient, and effective operational procedures that will definitely help streamline your daily operations. You'll learn everything from inspection and remediation procedures to call taking, how and when to use our different forms, our contracts, and our documents, which are obviously included, with your franchise package. We provide you with our staffing and human resources procedures and all the documents that are associated with that. Teach you guys how to price jobs. We discuss your equipment choices, profitability and accounting, and way more. We teach a lot. Once you've completed core training, our support services begin. So depending on the package that you choose, these can include unlimited phone support for quick answers. We have help desk personnel who have general answers to most of the general questions that you guys may have, and can help guide you through kind of all of our online training and assets portal. This franchisee portal is where you'll access and download any of your marketing and sales and operations assets and documents. You can also email us with questions and we'll respond within the same day. We also have franchisees that text us with questions, or they'll jump on our franchise members forum to bounce ideas off other franchisees or ask questions. Or you can always jump online at Mastertech University, which you'll receive a login for, to take any of our online trainings that are exclusive to Mastertech franchisees. The online trainings are also great for new employees orientation, or maybe as a refresher training for existing employees. We developed the Mastertech certification program because we felt that there was something lacking when relying on outside agencies to train our technicians and staff, the Mastertech way. Our franchisees use the certification program as not only an incentive for personnel to achieve higher learning, but also to ensure that all personnel are taught exactly how we expect things done. That way there's continuity across all of our operations. Yeah, so all franchisees have access to Mastertech University. We wanted a convenient, dedicated training platform that franchisees could access anytime from anywhere as long as they had internet. And we call it Mastertech University. Creating this online platform was a monumental task in and of itself, but since it's been completed, it's allowed franchisees and their employees to train at their convenience, and they definitely seem to appreciate that freedom and flexibility. They can also access any and all of our documentation from each of the classes that they take, and once they pass their course exams, they receive their Mastertech certification. They can also access any and all of our documentation from each of the classes that they take, and of course, once they pass their exam, they receive their Mastertech certification from whichever course they've completed, which, by the way, includes a beautiful Mastertech franchise certificate, a hat with a patch, and some rockers for their new cert, some awesome patches for their clothing, not to mention bragging rights.